So hello my dear, today we have an unusual lesson. I was bored and I decided to make a good grammar video for you. So today we will work on the modal verb have to. Students frequently have problems with negative form of don't have to. In many languages this structure quite logically and is used for prohibition, тобто повну заборону. In English, however, its usage is quite different and don't have to is used to indicate something which is not necessary and which we are free to do if we wish. So, let's start. The modal verb have to is used in affirmative form. We usually mark it with plus, you know that. So, the affirmative form for the first person singular and the third person plural is have to. Have to. For the third person singular, for the subject he, she, it, have is changed into has. Has to lay the table. Full stop. Negative form. The negative form is used with the help of the auxiliary verb of the present simple, don't or doesn't. Let's take. For I, we use they. We use don't have to lay the table. Don't have to. Ми не вимушені. Ми не маємо цього робити. For the third person singular, for the subject he, she, it, we must change don't into doesn't. Doesn't have to lay the table. Doesn't have to. Mary doesn't have to lay the table. She has done it. Question form. Question form will be used with the auxiliary, with the helping word, auxiliary verb of the present simple, do or does. For I, you, we, they, the first will be do. Do you have to lay the table? Do you have to lay the table? And for he, she, it, the first is does. Does she have to lay the table? We mustn't change have because we use does. Let's take another examples and let's practice this grammar material. So, I have some sentences here. Let's take the first one. I not do the washing up every day. For example, I have a dishwasher. So, I not do the washing up every day. We must put and make the negative sentence. So, negative sentence for the first person singular is made by don't have to. So, I don't have to. I don't have to do the washing up in the evening. Let's take another example, one more example. He cleared the table in the evening. He is the third person singular. And we haven't got not in this sentence, so it's affirmative sentence. Affirmative form is used for he like has to. That's why we must write down here, he has to clear the table in the evening. Let's take another example, one more. Mary not walk the dog on Saturdays. So, Mary, and we have not. Mary is the third person singular. Where is she? Here. Mary is she. So it means that it's the third person singular. And she has the negative form of the sentence. So we must put doesn't have to in here place. Mary doesn't have to walk the dog on Saturdays. To walk the dog. So, my dear, it was very easy for me and I I hope it will be very easy for you to understand this grammar material. So, from me to you with love. See you next time.